Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to bass boost music on Spotify. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Boosting the bass in your music on Spotify using an Android device involves selecting the best settings for enhanced audio quality. Here's how you can do it. First method, launch the Spotify app on your Android device. Ensure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Tap on the gear icon, the settings. Then scroll down and tap on audio quality. Scroll to the bottom and tap on equalizer. This will open your device's equalizer settings. If a warning about adjusting the equalizer appears, tap OK. Ensure Dolby Atmos with Auto is toggled on. Tap on Dolby Atmos with Auto, then choose Music. By following these steps, you should be able to enhance the bass in your music and Spotify, making your listening experience more enjoyable on your Android device. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.